Good morning class. Today I want to describe about real number for class 10. I want to describe exercise 1.1 question number 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. I want to describe about Euclid's division lemma. Now you can ask question to me. What is Euclid's division lemma? You can ask question to me. What is Euclid's division lemma? It is new for you. Euclid's division lemma is new for you. Yesterday I described Euclid's division algorithms. Today I want to describe about Euclid's division lemma. The other name of Euclid's division algorithm is Euclid's division lemma. Clear? No confusion. The other name of Euclid's division algorithm is Euclid's division lemma. Clear? Euclid's division algorithm is dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. A equal to BQ plus R, where R equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. Clear? No confusion. Concentrate your mind and see the board. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Question is clear? Okay. Solution. Euclid's division algorithm. A equal to BQ plus R, here R equal to 0, 1, 2, so on. Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It is Euclid's division algorithms or Euclid's division lemma. Clear? Let 3m equal to 3. 3m plus 1 equal to 3q plus 1. 3m plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2. Clear? A equal to BQ plus R, where R equal to 0. It is Euclid's division lemma. A equal to BQ plus R is Euclid's division lemma. Put the value of R in A equal to BQ plus R, where R equal to 0. Clear? Put the value of R equal to 0. A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R. Squaring on both sides. Now squaring on both sides. It becomes A square equal to BQ whole square equal to 3q whole square equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply q square. Clear? No confusion. 3m equal to 3 multiply q square. It becomes m equal to 3q square. You find the value of m equal to 3q square because 3 is cancelled by the 3. It becomes m equal to 3q square. Clear? No confusion. First step is solved. See the board. I want to solve next step. A equal to BQ plus R, where R equal to 1. You put the value of R equal to 1 in Euclid's division lemma. A equal to BQ plus R. Clear? See the board. A equal to BQ plus 1. Now squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. It becomes A square equal to BQ plus 1 whole square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. It becomes 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Hence 3m plus 1 equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. 1 on right side is cancelled by the 1 of left side. Then it becomes 3m equal to 9q square plus 6q. Because here 1 is cancelled by the this 1. Clear? 3m equal to 9q square plus 6q. 3m equal to 9q square plus 6q. Cut 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. It becomes m equal to 3q square plus 2q. You find the value of m In second step, m equal to 3q square plus 2q. Clear? No confusion? See the board. A equal to bq plus r, where r equal to 2. Here you put the value of r equal to 2 in equation a equal to bq plus r in Euclid's division lemma. Clear? A equal to bq plus 2. It become a equal to bq plus 2. Here the value of r is 2. A is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, r is remainder. Here the value of r is 2. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, it become a square equal to bq plus 2 whole square equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. It become 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Hence 3m plus 1 equal to 3 multiply 3q plus 4q plus 1 whole square brackets closed plus 1. Clear? It become 3m equal to 3 multiply 3q plus 4q plus 1. 3 is cancelled by 3. Clear? It become m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. You find the value of m of third step. M equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Clear? No confusion? Hence the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m plus 1 for some integer. Clear? You find the value of m in question 4 by the help of Euclid's division lemma. No confusion? In this way you can solve any question, any values by the help of Euclid's division algorithms or Euclid's division lemma.